Intense 5 time, let's go. Jamil Boss. His song Heaven was featured on the HBO series Ballers. Got it, Jamil.
Eddie Murphy is going to be a dad again for the 10th time. Eddie, go on, though.
Wow. Aretha is being the queen she is, even in death. There is a public viewing and she has already made an outfit change over the 2 days. Go, queen.
One fan really wants to get up close and personal with the Carters at their concert in Atlanta. He ran up on stage but was quickly intercepted by security. He has been charged with disorderly conduct and simple battery.
Now, bro, just try and, understand your thought process when you decided to do that. And it's not even the security, the backup dancers go for him first,
Yeah.
and then the security jump in.
Jay-Z and Beyonce, it's serious.
Hello. Well, they said they're not pressing any charges, so
That is good.
and finally holding the spot this week, everyone is asking the question, why was Davina Bennett not at Miss Jamaica Universe? She has one story and the organizers have another. Either way, it wasn't a good look.